Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download the Keplr application on your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search box at the top and type in Keplr. Once you find this wallet, in the search result, tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. Wait until the app is downloaded and installed on your device. And once it's done, tap on Open to open the Keplr wallet application on your iOS device. You can now go ahead and create a new wallet, import an existing wallet, or connect a wallet from Ledger Nano X. So that's how easily you can download and install Keplr application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.